Welcome back to another video. I have a very cool unboxing today. I'm going to keep this short. So let's get to it. This package I got is from Tide EDC. A little while ago, about a month ago, maybe more, time flies for me. He did a pre-order for a tray. So I pre-ordered the tray. So let's get into it and find out how it is. And I hope you guys like the new setup. Trying a different camera angle. I changed my office around again. I changed my office around a lot, so let's see how this does. A little bit less working space, no table in front of me in between myself and the camera, so I'm gonna try experiment a little bit. So camera changes may change a little bit here and there. So anyways, let's get to this unboxing. This is the package from Tide EDC. So let's get to it and find out what's inside. All right, let's get into this box. Let's use, now if you guessed the Big Idea Design tie knife, then you are wrong because I'm using my Chavez today. If I can get it open. There we go. Let's open this box, shall we? Oh, it's upside down. Be easier if I open it from this side. There we go. I like this packaging. Do it proper. Uh-oh. I'm not going to spend 10 minutes untying a knot, so beast mode. Yeah. Tide EDC. Let's check out this card. Thank you. That's a cool card. I truly appreciate your support. I hope you enjoyed these pieces for your EDC needs and photography. Thank you. Let's find out. Oh, I feel something else in there. I don't want to see it yet. I want to check out this tray. This tray looks awesome. Now I got a couple trays. One, I got my fixed blades in. The other one, got a bunch of stuff in there. And I got one in my office. I know this is my office, but I have a different office. So I have one in there from Black Flag EDC. I have a tray from Veriforma Leathers. And I also got a tray from Black Flag Leathers. Shout out to Black Flag, Tim. Man, we gotta catch up sometime. It's been a while since we talked. I hope you are doing well, brother. But anyways, this is a beautiful tray from Tide EDC. That is nice. It's not too deep. This could be perfect to store my stuff and also taking some pictures of. Now, I'm curious, what is the other item that he sent? Tide, thank you so much. Oh, sweet. Now this is awesome. It's another tray. Very sweet. This, I think this is going to be my dedicated phone. My dedicated phone tray. I like that. But first, you know, I got to work on those Instagram photos. So I am going to be working on that. Tide, I am definitely going to be tagging you in the photos for this on Instagram. Again, thank you so much, Tide. These are awesome. Very beautiful craftsmanship. I'm definitely going to be using them. This one, I think I might be using as my dedicated phone tray. If you haven't by now, go follow Tide EDC on Instagram. I'll link him in the description below. I'm not going to do the usual closing because I think this is good enough. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.